Everyone that ever photic foam for floor installation. So I cut a foam and start to cut it to shape for 9084 schematic. I redid the floor with fiberglass, everything, and now I'm installing this floor, and I just wanted to give you an idea and a review of how is it going. So far it's easy to cut, it's easy to shape. Next step is going to be, I'm going to pull the board out, hose it off, wash it completely. Then after I'm going to clean up with denatured alcohol, and I'll come back. So second step, I'm dry fitting everything. And on the side, I will make the finish rubber padding, which is this. Like that, it'll be nice finished, and there will be no exposed edges. So each one cost $82, and I needed 4 to make a nice pattern with all the different slots matching each other. You're going to see here at the seam, I'll make a little dent like this, a little S like this. I think it'll be nicer, but there you have it. I will continue later. So they all come in a box like this. It's very tightly rolled, so it is very important before you lay it down. I put it a few hours on the sun with weight on each corner to stretch it very, very well. Otherwise, it's almost impossible. It's so curly and thing like this. And on the direction, they say also leave it for at least 24 to 48 hours before you install it. Leave it enrolled. Okay, so everything is dry fitted. As you can see, this is how I latch them. I will use some special glue for those seams, but this is how it looks so far. So next is cleaning the boat, remove everything, clean the boat really, really well, and I'm not going to video that. You know how to clean the floor, and then when it's dry, put denatured alcohol to clean even better, and then ready for glue. Anyway guys, this is the finished product. Overall, it was not too hard.